Okay guys, Cliff here. Now I'm in the field, this field I got permission to be in to test glide, but I can't go on the crop particularly to fly it, so this will be test glides only. So let's see how we get on. Okay, it went into a slight stall. Straight into the sun. Oh, that's a pretty good glide. That's just with a small amount of down. Let's just take that off again. I think I threw it up then, so that's not a fair test. It's pretty neutral actually, that elevator now, so one last go. That was a rubbish throw. Oh, definitely that was a rubbish throw. One last throw just for good luck. I've sorted what I wanted to sort. Oh yeah, that's nice. So guys, very happy with that. Nice long glides, 50 foot maybe, so we're ready to try the rubber motor.